Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system and updates. As you can see, on the third position we've got language and input, so let's enter, tap on the language and region, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick something, for example, maybe Portuguese. Simply tap on the one you want to use. Now your device is asking you if you really want to change your system language to the chosen one, and if you want to tap on change. Now let's wait a second, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be in the chosen language. So now let me show you how to change the language again, but if you've got two of the languages applied, and if you want to set the English or another language as a main language, simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.